Canon EOS R4, the 2025 flagship, has just been fully leaked. And I'm talking full specs, real photos of the body, price, release date, everything. This is not clickbait. This is not a rumor from some random forum. This information comes straight from the same factory sources that correctly leaked the R5 Mark II, the R1, and even the R3 before anyone else. And today I'm dropping every single detail so you know exactly whether you should sell your current camera or wait. So grab a drink, get comfortable, because in the next 30 minutes I'm going to prove to you why the Canon EOS R4 is about to make the R5 Mark II look like a toy, and why Sony and Nikon executives are reportedly in full panic mode right now. Let's start with the name. Yes, it's officially called the Canon EOS R4, not R5S. Not R1 Mark II. Not some weird R3S. Canon is skipping straight to R4 to make a statement. This is the new king. First bombshell sensor. 80 megapixels. Full-frame stacked BSI sensor. Global shutter. Yes, you heard that right, the Canon EOS R4 will be the world's first full-frame mirrorless camera with true global shutter outside of the $30,000 cinema world. That means zero rolling shutter distortion even at 1/80,000th of a second electronic shutter. You can shoot an F1 car passing at 300 kilometers per hour with a 400mm lens and the wheels will be perfectly round. Insane. But wait, it gets crazier. 120 frames per second continuous shooting in 14-bit RAW with full autofocus and auto exposure. Not cropped, full 80MP files at 120 frames per second. The buffer? 800 plus shots before it even thinks about slowing down. They're using new CFexpress 5.0 cards that hit 4 gigabytes per second read speed, cards that don't even exist in stores yet. Now let's talk autofocus. Canon is calling it Deep CRYOAF. It uses liquid nitrogen-cooled dual AI processors that literally run at minus 20 degrees Celsius inside the camera to eliminate thermal noise. The result? 1,000 focus points covering 100% of the frame, tracking at minus 10 electron volts, that's basically pitch black, and new pre-capture neural prediction that starts buffering 3 full seconds before you half-press the shutter because the camera predicts you're about to take a photo based on your eye movement through the viewfinder. Yes, it watches your eye and guesses when you're going to shoot. Video specs? Hold on to something. 12K RAW internal at 60 frames per second. No crop. No overheating, ever. They've built a new active vapor chamber cooling system with microfans quieter than the R3. 8K 120 frames per second full frame RAW, 4K 240 frames per second full frame, and a brand new mode called C-Log Prime that gives 21 stops of dynamic range. 21. That's more than most cinema cameras, twice the price. The body? Oh man, it's smaller than the R5 Mark II but built like a tank. Full magnesium alloy with new carbon fiber reinforced corners. Weather sealing is rated to IP68. You can literally drop this thing in a swimming pool for 30 minutes and keep shooting. New customizable glowing buttons that change color based on mode. A fully articulating screen that flips 270 degrees and twists for low-angle selfie video. And the highest resolution EVF ever made. 12.8 million dots with 240 Hz refresh rate and zero blackout even at 120 frames per second burst. IBIS? 10 stops. Yes, 10. Handhold 80MP shots at 1/4 second and they're razor sharp. Battery life? They've created a new LPE19X battery that gives 1,800 shots per charge in real-world use. Or over 5 hours of 8K RAW video. And now the part everyone's waiting for. Price and release date. Official MSRP, $5,999 body only. First shipments start April 17, 2025. Pre-orders open in exactly 9 days from today. But here's the catch, only